Alright, so I'm back with an update on the Axial SMT-10 King Sling. Got my rims all painted up. I used the TS-17 for the silver background. That's a plastic paint. Looks pretty good. Of course, for the body I used the Tamiya translucent green. I think I used about 5 coats on there. And then I backed it with the silver. Paint job turned out sweet. For the wing, you guys, I went ahead and painted the green on the outside, or on the top. And then I taped off all 3 edges of the wing with blue painter's tape. And then I went ahead and shot from the bottom side of the wing silver, so that way it'd blend in with the body. But for the fin portion, you'll see that there's no silver behind it, it's just the green. One thing I noticed about these trucks is they're really lightweight compared to the Gravedigger, the other monster truck I was building. These are the low-C LMTs. Those things weigh a ton compared to this truck, which is really lightweight, I noticed. I'll be putting the electronics I'm using is the Hobby Wing 80 amp ESC, and I think it's a 3500 kV motor. And I'll be running a Spectrum 2-channel receiver. I just want to keep the truck as lightweight as possible. But yeah, the rims turned out sweet. I'll be finishing up the low-C LMT soon. As you can see, I started taping off the body. These are the truck tires. These are the tires that are going on there. The Firestorms blue compound. I'm gonna stick these on my LMT. And of course the body is, I believe it's the 2020 Raptor body. That'll end up painting like the Bigfoot. I'll be painting that body next. Yeah, but really digging this truck, you guys. I like the way it looks. Looks pretty mean. And again, for the green, just use the Tamiya translucent green. And I used probably five thin coats of the green, and then backed it with the silver. Alright, man. I'll get you guys a video of it running.